Hello everyone. In this section, let's see what are the important files which are needed to run this Django application. So first, let's open our background checking folder. Inside the background checking folder, we are having our bc underscore env, which is our virtual environment that we have created. And then we are having our bg check app, which is our Django app that we have created. So inside this check app, we'll be having a init.py file. It will be automatically created whenever this Django app has been created. And then we will be having a settings.py file. In the settings.py file, we'll be having the directory, all our base directory, and then we'll be having what are the apps which have been installed in this project will be registered here. And then we'll be having the template directory, and then we'll be having the directory for our database. Everything will be available here. And the database we'll be using here will be SQLite 3, which is our default database, which will be installed while we'll be installing our Django web application. And then we'll be having an urls.py file. This urls.py file will act as a bridge between the URL and our front end. So here admin is our URL, which is the path name. Whenever we go to this admin, you can say this is the address and this is the house. So this address will go to this house. So here in this terms, you can see admin is the address which is going to this particular front end. So this URL is used to connect between these two parts. And then we'll be having a manage.py file. So here manage.py is used to run our Django web application. So here I am going to add two more files which are needed for this project. So I am going to install the credentials files to this project. The credentials file that we have created already, and then the mails.py file. I'm going to open them both. So this mails.py file is our is nothing but our already we have created that Gmail API collab notebook. From there we have created this mails.py file, and then we will be having the credentials files. So I'm going to import these two inside our Django application. So just drag and drop the file inside this bg check app. So this mails.py file, inside this will be having how to get the service and how to search for messages and how to get the IDs. Everything will be available here. So now we have successfully imported these two files